In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a Facebook page. So I'm starting here by opening Facebook, and once I'm on the main screen, I'm moving up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile. From here, I need to switch over to the page profile, so I'm doing that first and making sure I'm on the correct page before I continue. That part matters because the deactivation option has to be opened from the page profile and not from the personal profile view. Now that I'm switched over, I'm going back up to the top right corner and clicking my profile again. This opens the menu for the page profile, and from here I'm selecting settings and privacy. Once that expands, I'm clicking settings so I can get into the full settings area for the page. At this point, I'm just moving carefully through the menu and staying inside the page settings because that's where the option I need is located. Once I'm inside settings, I'm looking for the section under your information. In that area, I'm clicking access and control. This is where Facebook keeps the option for deactivating the page, so I'm opening that now. As soon as that section loads, I'm looking for deactivate page, and once I see it, I'm selecting it. That takes me into the page deactivation flow, and now I'm ready to continue through the confirmation steps. From here, I'm clicking continue. Facebook may ask me to enter my password at this point, so if that prompt shows up, I'm typing in my password and then clicking continue again. Once that's done, Facebook asks me to select the reason for deactivating the page, so I'm choosing the reason that fits, and I'm just making sure I've selected one before moving forward. This part is really just Facebook asking for one final confirmation before the page is deactivated. Now I'm doing a quick check on the screen to make sure everything looks right. I've already switched into the page profile, opened settings, gone into access and control, selected deactivate page, clicked continue, entered my password if prompted, and chosen the reason for deactivating. So once I'm sure I want to go through with it, I'm clicking deactivate. And that's it, the Facebook page is now deactivated. So the full process is opening Facebook, clicking your profile at the top right corner, switching over to your page profile, clicking your profile again, opening settings and privacy, selecting settings, going to access and control under your information, choosing deactivate page, clicking continue, entering your password if prompted, selecting the reason for deactivating, and then clicking deactivate once you're sure. Once you go through it once, it feels much easier to follow, and the whole thing is really just moving step by step through the page settings until you reach that final deactivate button.